Our Earth is a watery world. From space, the dominance of blue is striking. Water covers over 2/3 of our planet's surface. This vast expanse of water is not uniform. It exists in many different forms. Oceans, lakes, rivers, and ice each play a unique role. These diverse bodies of water are essential for life. They regulate our climate, they shape our landscapes, and they support a vast array of ecosystems. Understanding Earth's waters is crucial. We need to appreciate their beauty and significance, and we must work to protect them. Our journey begins with a look at the planet as a whole. We'll delve into the sheer scale of Earth's water. Then we'll explore the interconnectedness of these bodies of water. Finally, we'll touch on the profound impact they have on our planet's health. Water is the lifeblood of our planet. It sustains all living things, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest whales. The continuous cycle of evaporation, precipitation, and flow shapes Earth's landscapes. It also drives weather patterns, and it transports nutrients across vast distances. Each body of water, regardless of its size, plays a crucial role in this cycle. Oceans hold the majority of Earth's water. They act as massive heat sinks, regulating global temperatures. Rivers and streams carve through continents. They carry fresh water to sustain ecosystems and human civilizations. Lakes, often described as Earth's eyes, offer a glimpse into the diversity of life. These still waters support unique ecosystems. They provide essential resources for both wildlife and humans. From the frozen Arctic to the lush tropics, water shapes the tapestry of our planet. In the next section, we will begin our exploration of Earth's diverse waters. We start with the vast oceans, the cradles of life and the engines of our climate. Oceans are the undisputed giants of our planet. They cover over 70% of Earth's surface. These vast bodies of salt water are interconnected, forming a single world ocean. This global ocean is divided into 5 major basins: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Oceans. Each ocean basin has its own unique characteristics. The Pacific, the largest and deepest, is home to the iconic Ring of Fire. This zone of intense volcanic and seismic activity shapes the ocean's basin and influences life within its depths. The Atlantic, the second largest, plays a crucial role in regulating global weather patterns. The Indian Ocean, known for its warm waters and monsoon winds, supports a rich diversity of marine life. The Southern Ocean, encircling Antarctica, plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate. It connects the other ocean basins. This allows for the exchange of heat and nutrients. Lastly, the Arctic Ocean, the smallest and shallowest, is experiencing the dramatic impacts of climate change at an alarming rate. Oceans are often described as the heart of our planet. This analogy is apartment. Like our own hearts, oceans circulate heat around the globe. They regulate our climate and weather patterns. Through a complex system of currents driven by wind, temperature, and salinity variations, oceans distribute heat from the tropics towards the poles. This process helps to moderate Earth's temperature. It makes our planet habitable. Oceans are also major absorbers of carbon dioxide. They play a vital role in mitigating the effects of climate change. However, the increasing levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere are causing oceans to become more acidic. This poses a significant threat to marine life, particularly coral reefs and shellfish. Despite their vastness, oceans are incredibly vulnerable to human impacts. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are all taking a toll on these vital ecosystems. It is our responsibility to protect these magnificent bodies of water. We must ensure their health for generations to come. Lakes, often called the Earth's eyes, offer a window into diverse ecosystems. Ranging in size from small ponds to vast inland seas, lakes are scattered across our planet. They vary greatly in character, from freshwater lakes teeming with life to saline lakes with unique adaptations. Freshwater lakes, formed by glacial activity or nestled in valleys, are vital sources of drinking water. They support a rich tapestry of life, from microscopic plankton to large fish like sturgeon and trout. Lake Superior, the largest freshwater lake by surface area, showcases the immense scale these bodies of water can reach. In contrast, saline lakes like the Dead Sea possess a stark beauty and unique biodiversity. These lakes, often found in arid regions, have high salt concentrations due to high evaporation rates. The unique organisms that thrive in these harsh environments provide insights into life's adaptability. Rivers and streams, often described as the arteries of the land, play a crucial role in connecting and sustaining life. These flowing waters carve through landscapes, shaping mountains and valleys over millennia. They act as vital transportation routes for both wildlife and humans, carrying nutrients and sediments that enrich ecosystems. The Amazon River, the mightiest river on Earth, snakes its way through the South American rainforest. Its sheer volume of water teeming with life highlights the crucial role rivers play in supporting biodiversity. From the smallest streams to the grandest rivers, these flowing waters connect diverse habitats. They provide essential resources for a myriad of species, from insects and amphibians to mammals and birds. Rivers also play a crucial role in human civilization, providing water for agriculture, transportation, and even spiritual practices. Rivers and their tributaries form intricate networks that sustain life along their banks and far beyond. The regular flooding of rivers, while sometimes destructive, deposits nutrient-rich sediment onto floodplains. This process, known as riparian fertilization, supports fertile agricultural land and diverse ecosystems. The Nile River, for example, has sustained human civilization for millennia thanks to its annual floods that replenish the soil. However, human activities such as damming and irrigation can significantly alter the natural flow of rivers. These alterations can have cascading effects on ecosystems and communities that rely on these vital waterways. Therefore, understanding the delicate balance of rivers and streams is crucial for managing these resources sustainably. We must strive to protect these arteries of life for the benefit of both nature and humanity. In the next section, we'll journey to the coasts, where freshwater meets saltwater in the dynamic realms of seas, bays, and gulfs. Where continents meet oceans. Coastal waters, the dynamic interface between land and sea, are a realm of constant change and remarkable biodiversity. Here, the salty embrace of the ocean clashes with the freshwater pulse of rivers, creating a unique blend of conditions that supports a remarkable array of life. Seas, bays, and gulfs, each with their own distinct characteristics, make up this vibrant tapestry of coastal ecosystems. Seas, often partially enclosed by land, are like smaller versions of oceans, teeming with life. The Mediterranean Sea, for example, known for its azure waters and ancient history, supports a unique ecosystem with a blend of Atlantic and endemic species. Its warm, salty waters are home to colorful fish, playful dolphins, and ancient sea turtles. Bays, typically smaller and more sheltered than seas, offer a glimpse into the delicate balance of coastal ecosystems. Chesapeake Bay on the eastern coast of North America, known for its oysters and crabs, exemplifies the ecological importance of bays. Here, the mixing of fresh water from rivers and salt water from the ocean creates a nutrient-rich environment that supports a complex web of life. Cradles of life and commerce, gulfs, larger indentations of the coastline, often serve as crossroads of ocean currents and continental shelves. The Gulf of Mexico, a vibrant body of water teeming with life, showcases the ecological and economic significance of these coastal giants. Its warm waters support a vast array of marine species, from shrimp and crabs to dolphins and whales. These abundant fisheries have sustained human communities for centuries, providing food and livelihoods. However, the Gulf of Mexico also faces significant challenges from human activities. Oil spills, pollution from agricultural runoff, and overfishing threaten the delicate balance of this vital ecosystem. Coastal waters, with their rich biodiversity and economic importance, face increasing pressure from a growing human population. Climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction all threaten the health of these vital ecosystems. Understanding the delicate balance of coastal waters and implementing sustainable practices are crucial for preserving these cradles of life and commerce for generations to come. Fjords, sculpted by ice. Fjords, those breathtakingly deep inlets carved by ancient glaciers, stand as testaments to the raw power of nature. These narrow waterways, often flanked by towering cliffs and cascading waterfalls, are found in high-latitude regions where glaciers once ruled the landscape. Norway, a land renowned for its stunning fjords, showcases the dramatic beauty of these glacial formations. Sognefjord, the longest and deepest fjord in Norway, stretches over 120 miles inland, its dark waters reflecting the towering cliffs that rise thousands of feet above. These deep, sheltered waterways provide a haven for marine life, from schools of herring and cod to harbor seals and the occasional orca. Fjords, with their unique blend of freshwater from rivers and saltwater from the ocean, create a rich tapestry of habitats. The steep cliffs, often adorned with lush vegetation, provide nesting grounds for seabirds, while the depths harbor a variety of fish and invertebrates. These ecosystems, shaped by the relentless forces of ice and water, offer a glimpse into the intricate connections between geology, climate, and life. Section 2. Straits, channels of connection. Straits, those narrow passages connecting two larger bodies of water, act as maritime bridges, shaping both natural and human history. These strategic waterways have long been vital for trade, navigation, and even military maneuvers. The Strait of Gibraltar, separating Europe and Africa, exemplifies the strategic importance of straits. This narrow passage, connecting the Mediterranean Sea to the Atlantic Ocean, has been a crossroads of civilizations for millennia, witnessing the rise and fall of empires and the flow of goods and cultures. Today, the Strait of Gibraltar remains one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world, highlighting the enduring significance of these maritime bottlenecks. Straits, with their often strong currents and unique mixing of water masses, also play a crucial role in marine ecosystems. The Bering Strait, separating Alaska and Russia, for example, serves as a vital migration route for marine mammals including whales, seals, and walruses as they move between the Pacific and Arctic Oceans in search of food and breeding grounds. Section 3. Glaciers, frozen reservoirs. Glaciers, those massive rivers of ice that flow slowly under their own weight, hold within their frozen embrace a stark reminder of Earth's climatic past and a harbinger of its future. These vast reservoirs of freshwater, formed by the accumulation and compaction of snow over centuries, play a crucial role in regulating global sea levels and influencing regional climates. The Greenland ice sheet, the largest ice mass in the Northern Hemisphere, covers an area 3 times the size of Texas, its immense weight depressing the Earth's crust beneath. If this ice sheet were to melt entirely, global sea levels would rise by an estimated 20 feet, inundating coastal communities and displacing millions of people. Glaciers, with their slow, grinding movement, also sculpt the landscape, carving out valleys, creating lakes, and depositing sediment that shapes ecosystems. However, as global temperatures rise due to climate change, glaciers around the world are retreating at an alarming rate, releasing their fresh water into the oceans and contributing to sea level rise. Section 1. Canals, shaping trade and landscapes. From ancient times, humans have sought to reshape the world around them, and waterways, with their potential for transportation and irrigation, have been prime targets for engineering feats. Canals, those artificial waterways carved through land, stand as testaments to human ingenuity and our enduring desire to connect distant lands and harness the power of water. These man-made channels have facilitated trade, spurred economic growth, and transformed landscapes, leaving an indelible mark on human civilization. The Suez Canal, a marvel of engineering completed in 1869, stands as a prime example of how canals can reshape global trade. This vital waterway connecting the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea shortened the journey between Europe and Asia by thousands of miles, revolutionizing maritime commerce and solidifying the importance of canals in a globalized world. The Panama Canal, another iconic feat of engineering, completed in 1914, further exemplifies the transformative power of canals. This artificial waterway, slicing through the Isthmus of Panama, connected the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, facilitating trade between the Americas and influencing global shipping patterns. The construction of these canals, while bringing economic benefits, also had significant environmental and social impacts, highlighting the need for careful planning and sustainable practices in large-scale engineering projects. Section 2 Reservoir, Taming Nature's Flow. Water, essential for life and civilization, has always been a precious resource, and humans have long sought ways to manage and control its flow. Reservoirs, those artificial lakes created by damming rivers, stand as prime examples of our efforts to harness water for human needs. These man-made bodies of water serve a variety of purposes, from providing drinking water and irrigation for agriculture to generating hydroelectric power and mitigating floods. Lake Mead, formed by the Hoover Dam on the Colorado River, stands as a testament to the scale and ambition of reservoir projects. This massive reservoir, one of the largest in the world, provides water for millions of people in the southwestern United States, irrigates vast agricultural lands, and generates hydroelectric power. However, the creation of Lake Mead also had significant ecological consequences, altering the flow of the Colorado River and impacting downstream ecosystems. Reservoirs, while providing essential resources, can also have unintended consequences, altering natural flow regimes, impacting fish migration and changing sediment dynamics. Balancing the benefits of reservoirs with the need to maintain healthy ecosystems requires careful planning, adaptive management, and a recognition of the interconnectedness of water systems. Section 3. Balancing Act, Managing Human Impacts. As we have journeyed through the diverse waters of our planet, from the vast oceans to the smallest streams, we have witnessed both the breathtaking beauty and the increasing vulnerability of these precious ecosystems. Human activities, from pollution and overfishing to climate change and habitat destruction, are leaving their mark on Earth's waters, threatening the delicate balance of life that sustains us all. The consequences of our actions are becoming increasingly apparent, from coral reefs bleaching under warming seas to rivers choked with plastic waste. Protecting these vital resources for future generations requires a fundamental shift in our relationship with water, recognizing its interconnectedness, its limits, and its essential role in sustaining all life. We must embrace sustainable practices, reduce our ecological footprint, and advocate for policies that protect our planet's waters. The future of Earth's waters, and indeed the future of humanity, depends on our collective action and our unwavering commitment to becoming better stewards of these precious resources. Section 1. Reflections on a Watery World. Our journey through Earth's waters has taken us from the sunlit surface of the ocean to the icy depths of glaciers, from the roaring torrents of rivers to the tranquil stillness of lakes. We've witnessed the remarkable diversity of life that these waters support, from microscopic plankton to giant whales, from vibrant coral reefs to ancient forests submerged beneath tranquil lakes. Each body of water, large or small, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. We've seen how oceans, those vast heat sinks, regulate our climate and drive weather patterns across the globe. We've explored the crucial role of rivers and streams in connecting ecosystems, transporting nutrients and shaping landscapes. We've delved into the hidden depths of lakes, those serene bodies of water that harbor a surprising diversity of life and provide essential resources for both humans and wildlife. And we've marveled at the dramatic beauty of fjords, straits, and glaciers, those icy realms sculpted by the relentless forces of nature. Our journey has not only revealed the beauty and wonder of Earth's waters, but also highlighted their vulnerability. We've seen how pollution, overfishing, and climate change threaten the delicate balance of these precious ecosystems. We've witnessed the consequences of our actions, from plastic-choked rivers to bleached coral reefs, from shrinking glaciers to rising sea levels. Section 2. The Intertwined Fate of Water and Life. The fate of Earth's waters is inextricably linked to our own. Water is the lifeblood of our planet, essential for all living organisms, including ourselves. It sustains our agriculture, powers our industries, and provides us with recreation and inspiration. The health of our planet's waters is directly tied to the health and well-being of humanity. As we've explored the diverse bodies of water that grace our planet, we've seen how human activities are impacting these precious resources. Pollution from industrial discharges, agricultural runoff, and plastic waste is contaminating our rivers, lakes, and oceans, threatening aquatic life and jeopardizing our own access to clean water. Overfishing is depleting fish populations, disrupting marine ecosystems, and threatening the livelihoods of millions who depend on fishing for food and income. Climate change, driven by our reliance on fossil fuels, is warming our planet, leading to rising sea levels, ocean acidification, and more frequent and intense droughts and floods. These changes threaten coastal communities, disrupt marine ecosystems, and exacerbate water scarcity in many parts of the world. Section 3. Our shared responsibility. The challenges facing Earth's waters are significant, but they are not insurmountable. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the resources to protect and restore these vital ecosystems. What we need now is the collective will to act, to make sustainable choices, and to advocate for change. We can all play a role in protecting our planet's waters, no matter where we live or what we do. We can reduce our water consumption, choose sustainable products, and support businesses that prioritize environmental responsibility. We can educate ourselves and others about the importance of water conservation and advocate for policies that protect our waterways. Protecting Earth's waters is not just about preserving pristine ecosystems. It's about ensuring the well-being of future generations. It's about safeguarding the resources that sustain us, the beauty that inspires us, and the interconnectedness of life that defines our planet. Let us act now, with urgency and determination, to protect and restore these precious gifts for the benefit of all life on Earth. The time for action is now, before it's too late.